I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which drive or folder holds the deleted files and why you need wipes. This matters for method choice. Once you've backed up necessary data, disable hibernation, file history, and automatic backups so metadata doesn't recreate traces. Next, unmount or eject the target volume if possible and boot to recovery or a trusted clean environment. This prevents writes. Make sure to verify hardware encryption state. Encrypted drives need different handling before secure wiping. Now you perform the overwrite. Use built-in tools or reputable utilities. On Windows, run Cypher/W. Drive. On Linux, use Shred or sfill. And on Mac OS, use Disk Utilities Secure Erase Free Space or a recovery tool. If available, use Hardware ATA Secure Erase for SSDs instead of multiple overwrites. SSDs behave differently. Make sure to target free space, swap, and any hibernation files once the overwrites finish. Verify completion logs and run a secondary free space pass if you need added assurance. Finish by securely wiping any remaining system artifacts. Clear thumbnails, application caches, cloud sync caches, and logs. Once done, re-enable backups and hibernation only after verifying no sensitive remnants remain. If deleted data still appears or forensic tools recover files, repeat secure erase with a stronger method or perform a full disk crypto erase. Change encryption key and reformat. If hardware issues block ATA erase, physically destroy the drive. For stubborn cases, consult a data recovery-aware technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.